Good morning and welcome to Casa Majadas, and again, very interesting property this. We are located in Las Majadas, which is just below the kind of tree line of the national park, at the Alcaucin park, which is obviously under Alcaucin municipality. And this property has got charm. It's got some quirky little parts with it, but basically we've got two parts of the house. The main house is up here, which is where we're going to start, and then we've got a toilet and terrace up above, and then we've got like a second lounge down below here. Okay, so you'll see and hear that the town hall are actually just redoing all of these lovely stone pathways down here. So you can see that they're doing the works there. That's all being done by the town hall, so that will be complete very soon. But yeah, you've got some really nice features. This essentially is obviously a right of way, but there's nowhere, you know, the cars can pass through. It's only for the neighbours. I think there's 2 or 3 neighbours just past here. So essentially this, you know, is almost adopted as your terrace. Okay, so the house is from this cable here to that one there. You can see it's all been repainted. Condition of the property is very, very good. So you've got 2 bedrooms upstairs with a bathroom, and then downstairs you've got living. Okay, and as well, like I say, on the same deeds is this bathroom here, okay, which has got sink, shower and toilet. And then basically you've got barbecue, outdoor sink, terrace, and then down below there is, like I say, like a second lounge or a 3rd bedroom, as you wish. But basically, you know, just to give you an idea, we're in a small little hamlet, very, very quiet. You've got concrete access, fantastic for walkers, those who want to be in nature. There you can see just the other few properties of the hamlet itself. And yeah, it's going to be green all year round. You've got very good sunshine, and quite a unique little spot this. Okay, so we're going to go inside. We'll do the main house first. Okay, so you're on mains, waste, water, electric. It's urban, and into the kind of living and kitchen area. Okay, so you've got a nice kind of this pine kitchen, spiral staircase leading up to the top. Condition wise, you can see it's very, very good. Okay, nice kind of windows, wooden windows throughout, you know, and you've got the wooden beams throughout. It's got some lovely features. This is a big open fire at the end here. That is in working order, and again, nice feature. You could put in a wood burner there if you prefer, but there's another window there. This has just been covered up for dust. Okay, that's how particular these owners are. They're very, very clean, and I've got to say again, there's plastic on that door there. Beautiful wooden door. Okay, that's really nice feature, and again, kept very, very well. So you're looking at basically purchasing, you know, this property without having to do any work. Okay, so the living area, you can see we're going to go upstairs to the 2 bedrooms and shower room. Okay, so you've got a spiral staircase there. That's a brand new water heater. Okay, and then you can see obviously down the stairs there. Here is the shower room. So you've got a nice walk-in shower here. Lovely tiling. It's all kind of nicely kept again. Wooden window there with a view. Nice, good sized sink, toilet. Okay, there's storage behind these curtains here. Okay, so there's 2 lots of storage in the corridor. And then what's a really nice feature, and I didn't show you in the bathroom, you got these sliding doors. Okay, so they're internal into the wall. Solid wood, really nice, very expensive to put in now. I think this was done about 6 years ago. This was reformed. Okay, so this is a sort of bunk room, obviously, or a single room. And then here we've got a double or a twin. Okay, so again, nice wooden windows, fly screens are in, you got the view, and again, there's recesses in that wall there that could be obviously hanging space or clothes space. Okay, so this is the main property, again with the sliding doors. Really nice. You know, I think I want some of them in my house. Okay, so again on that one as well. It's there. Okay, so let's go down and do the other part, which I explained to you at the start is just across the road. So there's advantages to that. You know, you could have like a little studio that you rent out. Obviously family, bit of space, but this again is the kind of connecting terrace, and then you've got fantastic views. Inside here is your washing machine, sink and toilet. Okay, that's all nicely kept. Okay, again, this is all on the title deeds. Here we've got nice terrace. That again, it's just like attention to detail. You look at the brickwork in there, the nice woodwork. Again, that's the main house, and then down here it's a second lounge basically at the moment. Again, nice kind of access through ramps and not steps. Okay, big wooden door, chunky like the front door, and then into another room where again it's nice features. You've got the big wooden lintels, you've got the beams, and this is a nice sized room. Okay guys, so if you want further information, this is Casa Majadas. Please contact me directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed via our website at VillaSolutions.net. Thank you.